Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Chord on Guitar. LANY here, not for the first time. This song is first here on this channel here. The older you get, the less you cry. So I really love LANY. Always great songs, pretty easy to play normally and very catchy. And a great message usually in the lyrics here. So this one has one intro here. We demonstrated in the beginning here, and also a very easy strumming pattern to handle here for 3 chords only. So let's start with the chords first, and we need to set the capo on 1st fret. We have the F like this, so that is 1st fret here. You bar all strings, and the rest will be 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. Next chord will be D minor. So that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 1st E. And the final chord will be A sharp. So you bar the 1st fret again, this time only from the A string and down, so 5 strings. And the rest will be 3rd on D string, 3rd on G, and 3rd on B. Alright, so this is the chords, and the chord progression goes like this through the entire song. F, D minor, and A sharp. First, we're gonna learn this melody, and I'm gonna show you how to play it for each chord, which notes belongs to each chord here. So we'll play this part first. Alright. So you're gonna play 3rd on D, and 1st on B, 3rd on E, and back to 1st on B. Okay? And then the next round will be starting the same way, 3rd on D, then 1st on B, and then this time you go down to 1st on E. And what I do here, I just lean down my finger here from the 1st B. I just lean down and kind of bar the first 2 frets here from on E and B string. So the second round you start in the same way, 3rd on D, 1st on B, 1st on E. I lean down and I go back and play 1st on B. Okay, so far. Okay, then you're gonna play the next part, and that will be played in the same way as the first part here. So 3rd on D, 1st B, 3rd E, and 1st B. Okay, so the 1st and the 3rd part we just looked at now is the same, and then the 4th and final will be, that is 3rd on D, 1st on B, open E now, and 1st B. And that's it for the F. So just repeat this one. The 1st and the 3rd part will be the same, and that is 3rd on D, 1st on B, 3rd on E, and 1st on B. Then comes the second part. So that is 3rd on D, 1st on B, 1st on E, and 1st on B. And then comes again this 3rd part we just played in the first round. And then the final 4th will be 3rd on D, 1st on B, open E, and 1st B. So slowly it will sound like this. Alright, then we have the next part that is built on the D minor. We will play 2 rounds of the same pattern here. That will be 5th on A, 3rd on D, 5th on G, and back to 3rd on D. These 4 notes, you're gonna play 2 rounds. And then you go and play the next part, which is based on the A sharp. 2 rounds of that as well, and that is first on the A, third on D, first on B, and back to third on D. These 4 notes, you're gonna play them for 2 rounds. So, and that is the melody. So now I'm gonna play this through for you, so you can listen and be able to follow a little bit slower. Yeah, you're gonna play this only 1 round, and that is the intro. Now the rest will be just played in the same way. We have the chords, you're gonna hold them as they are, and we're gonna learn a strumming pattern. This strumming pattern, we're gonna divide it into 2 parts just to see, otherwise it gets too much to take in. So I'm gonna play the full strumming for you now, how it sounds, and then I'm gonna split it, okay? So let's grab an F, that is the first chord, and the strumming will sound like this. Okay, so the first part will be down, 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 up. Down, 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 up. Down, 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 up. Okay, and the next part will be up, down, 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 up. So up, down, 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 up. Up, down, 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 up. And if we connect these 2 parts, it will be down, 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 up, down, 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 up. Down, 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 up, down, 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 up. Okay, so that is the strumming. So for this song here, you're gonna play 2 rounds of the strumming for F, 1 for D minor, and 1 for A sharp. And that's it for this song. So let's go for a round here. 2 F, 1 D minor, and 1 A sharp. 2 D minor and A sharp. And then it goes around like this. F, D minor, and A sharp. Alright, so that is how to play this song here. I just want to mention, about 1 minute and 15 seconds into the song, right after the first chorus, right after it's saying the older you get, the less you cry. Just before the second verse starts, he starts and play this intro melody part, just a short part from the beginning here, and it will be just these notes. So right after that starts the strumming again. Okay, so I just want to add that into this tutorial here. Otherwise, just play the strumming from the beginning till the end, and that's it for LANY's The Older You Get, The Less You Cry. So good luck with this one, guys, and see you soon. And don't forget to subscribe if you like the content of this channel, and play tuned.